Crispy, spicy, buttery, and delicious. This is the best potato recipe ever because you're going to need only few ingredients and the outcome is going to be delicious. I've added in some chili flakes to make my potatoes spicy, which makes the potatoes super mouth-watering. To make these crispy, spicy roasted potatoes, you need very few ingredients, which I'm going to find listed in the description box. So over here, I have around 7 to 10 medium potatoes that I've peeled and washed. So the next step is to chop up my potatoes into average sizes, that is medium sizes. So using a sharp knife, I'm going to chop my potatoes. If you're a huge fan of potatoes, you have to try out this recipe. And also, if you love spicy food, this is the recipe for you. So when chopping up your potatoes, make sure they're the same size so that they can cook at the same time. Once you're done chopping up your potatoes, you're going to wash the potatoes for around 2 times until the water runs clear. The reason we're washing the potatoes is to get rid of the excess starch in the potatoes. So I'm going to transfer back into my bowl and wash my potatoes. Once your potatoes are clean, you're going to move over to your stove top and place a pot over medium-high flame and add in cold water. Next, you're going to transfer in your potatoes into the pot. Make sure the water is enough to submerge the potatoes so that they can fully cook. Then you're going to add in some salt to season your potatoes while they boil. So I'm going to be adding in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Cover, and then I'm going to let my pot come to a boil, and that is going to take around 1 to 2 minutes. Because you're going to be parboiling your potatoes, it's going to take around 3 to 5 minutes, and also it depends on the size of potatoes that you have chopped up. As you have seen, I've chopped up my potatoes into medium sizes, which is going to take around 3 to 5 minutes. So if your potatoes you have chopped up your potatoes huge, it's going to take around 5 to 10 minutes to parboil your potatoes. Once the potatoes are ready, you're going to cover and drain off the water, and then you're going to let the potatoes sit for around a minute so that the excess steam can escape. After 1 minute, you're going to pick a pan and place your pan over medium-high flame. I'm going to transfer my pot aside. Then you're going to be adding a very nice buttery taste to the potatoes by adding in 2 knobs of butter. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil, which is going to help the butter not to burn. And once the butter is melted, you're going to transfer in your potatoes into your pan carefully, just like that. Toss the potatoes a little bit so that they can settle into the delicious butter. And as the potatoes are roasting and getting that lovely golden brown color, I'm going to chop up some coriander for garnishing my roasted potatoes. When done chopping up your coriander, you're going to let your potatoes roast for around a minute. Then you're going to toss the potatoes so that they can roast on the other side to get that lovely golden brown color. And we're looking for crispiness. So the total time to roast your potatoes is going to take around 10 minutes maximum. As your potatoes are roasting, you're going to add in some salt to fully season your potatoes. Toss the potatoes. Make sure all the potatoes are roasting. So over here, I have some chili flakes, which I'm going to be adding. You can also add in cayenne powder if you don't have chili flakes. So I'm going to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes to my pan so that the potatoes can absorb in all that lovely flavor, making the potatoes very delicious. So if you are a fan of spicy food, you can add in more chili flakes so that the potatoes can get super spicy. Listen to that crispiness. So my potatoes are almost done. I'm going to make sure all the potatoes are roasting on all sides by using my spatula to flip the potatoes that are not getting crispy enough. After 10 minutes, your roasted potatoes are going to be ready. So you're going to garnish with coriander, which is going to add in a very nice taste to the roasted potatoes. Then you're going to toss the potatoes so that the coriander can coat all the potatoes. Next, you're going to serve yourself the delicious, crispy roasted potatoes. They look absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that. So this is a very nice way that you can serve roasted potato for your family's dinner or lunch, and everyone is going to enjoy each and every single bite. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy, amazing, spicy, flavorful roasted potatoes.